The Sichuan earthquake began at 2:28 p.m. on May 12th in 2008. It measured a magnitude of 7.9 on the Richter scale and had a maximum intensity of 11. Despite the earthquake only lasting 2 minutes, it caused more than $86 million worth of damage. It killed more than 87,000 people. And in total, since this earthquake had happened, there's been $137.5 billion spent on rebuilding the affected areas. Also, 4.8 million people were left homeless as a result of this, and at least 391 dams in the area were damaged, including the Xingpingpu Dam, which is the largest in the area, and many landslides occurred as a result to this tragedy. Its epicenter was 80 kilometers northwest of Chengdu, which is the capital of Sichuan. The focus of the earthquake was 19 kilometers below the surface, so it was considered to be a shallow earthquake. Being a shallow earthquake, it could be felt in places thousands of miles away like Beijing and Shanghai. Despite the sheer destructive force of the quake, it was still only the second most powerful earthquake to strike China. The strongest earthquake to ever hit China was the Sichuan Earthquake in 1950, which had a magnitude of 8.5. The Sichuan earthquake was a result of a great amount of pressure built up called a Fairfield stress from the Indian and Eurasian plates. This plate boundary is a reverse fault and convergent plate boundary. To know what a convergent plate boundary is, you first have to know what a divergent plate boundary is. A divergent plate boundary is basically when an area of new crust is formed and the plates are moving away from each other caused by rising magma. Convergent plate boundaries is the exact opposite of that. Two plates are constantly moving towards each other and crust is being subducted. Subduction is when one plate slides beneath another. The continual line of contact between the two plates from the plate of subduction is where the earthquakes occur. The Eurasian and Indian fault lines that this earthquake occurred through have been seismically active for millions of years. Now here are a couple videos and a couple before and after pictures of the damage that this earthquake had caused to this area.
这怎么都是走地下铺嘛，都这样全部都是。
是嘛？我们想到可能喊嘛两边倒，肯定要倒多远现在路。
他那个地基都成了，没有成。
没有，那肯定是摇的，可能是。
摇，它拽来。
前两天都还有两个地方。
前两天还有。
看看他们下回去了噻。
连女娃子别来还破了，在哪里？
我看。您是家长吗？
不是，
也不是是吧？
哦，
还真是的，周围也不知道没找到。
我们刚才把那个飞机。
手持 DV 进行摄像的这位秘鲁游客叫约翰·达卡尔。地震发生时，他正和几位朋友在成都附近的青城山游玩。地震发生后，山上有大量石块滑落，附近的房屋也坍塌了。
啊？ We gotta get out of here.
Let's go to the river. Let's go to the river.
coming down something there. Hold it tight, okay?
约翰·达卡尔已经在成都居住了很长时间，是一位播客，也就是用音频或视频来写博客的人。约翰·达卡尔表示，他非常庆幸自己用手中的 DV 记录了当地居民勇敢救人的行为。
A group of the locals, they just get courage to start going. And every time that somebody was yelling help, even if it was shaking, those guys will go, and they were really brave.